What's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this channel it's about helping you, isn't it? It's about helping you make more money, helping you find more business ideas, helping you create more streams of income, helping you invest and just helping you grow overall. So how can I keep this channel going without actually talking about day trade, considering that I post about it a lot on Snapchat, and a lot of people want to understand day trading. Like, it's quite a new concept to some people because obviously, I guess crypto is new. A lot of people were just swinging crypto, but now, we've got an opportunity to day trade. Firstly, let's get this out of the way. To day trade, you want to either use Binance or you want to use KuCoin. Those are the two platforms that I use. I know there's a couple others, but these are the two that I use. You'd struggle with Binance because there was a recent ban by the FCA in terms of day trading facilities. Well, not necessarily day trading facilities, but money transfer facilities. So basically, you can't get GBP into Binance and you can't get GBP out of Binance. So quite an easy fix. If you got Coinbase, you could buy your Bitcoin there and then sort of transfer it to Binance and then convert it into whatever you want to convert it into. In this case, USDT. That's what I usually use on Binance. Well, that's what the Binance day trading platform is based on, right? So the reason for this video is I genuinely think that a lot of you guys are missing a huge opportunity. A lot of you guys are missing a huge opportunity, that being day trading. Of course, I run the group Stocks and Pips, and on there we do a whole bunch. We do obviously long-term investing, short-term investing, swing trading, and so on and so forth. But what's really taken off is day trading. And let me give you the importance of day trading, right? And why that is a brilliant skill to have. If you don't have the skill, you could always sort of hitch a hike on the back of sort of someone else, right? But when the market crashed, there wasn't much activity, like, in the stock market, and even the crypto market weren't doing too great either. But one thing you have to realize is, regardless of how bad the market is, because obviously, generally speaking, on the market, you always buy it. Oh, I bought Bitcoin at X amount, or I bought XRP at X amount, right? But you're never really able to short it. Shorting means you're never able to bet against it dropping. So when you go long, you're betting against it. You're betting for it going up. When you short, you're betting against it going down, or you're betting for it to go down, essentially speaking. But when you're trading normally, you don't have these facilities, right? So what does that mean? When the market is, let's say, in a bear market, you're not making any money. You're sitting down there, your portfolio is just shrinking from 100 grand to 80 grand to 50 grand and so on and so forth. Whereas you could actually offset this loss in a way, that being via day trading. Rewind a bit. Of course, if you're investing for the long term and you've done your due diligence, then chances are that particular sort of asset would rise back up, whether it's Bitcoin Cash, whatever it is, would rise back up. But in the meantime, how do you shore yourself up after losing, let's say, 50% of your portfolio? You have to day trade. An example, I haven't day traded much this month, but last month that I day traded, I made probably around 17 to 20 grand day trading, right? And when I'm on it, I can do crazy numbers on day trading. I mean, some of you would have seen it on Snap. I could do 2-3 grand per trade on day trading, and I could do 3 of that a day. So I could clean my target in like a week or 2 weeks, really, realistically speaking. But what I find is, there's a lot of art to day trading. One being, the psychology of day trading. So what I mean by the psychology of day trading is, there's actually a thing called over trading. So when you have a lot of big wins, you get too confident. You start, like, bro, if your target is, I just want to make £150 a day. Think about it, right? £150 a day, that's probably more than you earn. And that's meaning no disrespect. But I'm saying the average person watching this video, is probably earning around £150 a day or less, right? If you can make that from day trade, that's like crazy numbers. But now, if you say that's your target and you hit, let's say you hit 200, you have no reason to continue day trading, even if you see the perfect trade. I'm sorry, you have to leave it for that day and actually move on. Because what then happens is, you trade, you might make another 150. You're thinking, whoa, 350. I've done 2 days target in one. And then the overconfidence creeps in and then you wipe your account. So let's put it out there. Right, this is not financial advice or nothing. Anything I've said previously, that's not financial advice either. And anything I'm about to say on day trading doesn't constitute financial advice. But I'm telling you, or I'm at least trying to enlighten you on the importance of day trading and how much money you can actually make from day trading. So if you look through now, you can see, I mean, there's a lot of guys on the group making sort of like 45% gains and so on and so forth. And, you know, I'm not saying that. I mean, we're definitely one of the leading guys in the UK when it comes to, you know, sort of like, you know, these stock group community sort of stuff, right? But I know that there are probably day traders out there that probably make better numbers than those. But just think about it. Imagine you're day trading with £1,000 and you're able to compound and you're able to make, say, 50% 2 times a week, let's say. Right, 50% 2 times a week. That means the first 50% gets you to 1,500. The second 50% gets you to 2,250. That means you've literally doubled your money, more than doubled your money in the first sort of week. And then now let's say you take a 20% loss once a week. Now that comes down to around, let's say around, say, 1,800 or so, thereabout. You know, you've still made 80% gain overall on your day trading actual portfolio. So that's the importance of day trading, and I kind of wanted to share that with you guys. Right, now to get into the more technical parts, I really don't want to do that in this video. So if you have any questions regarding day trading, I actually done a webinar. I hosted a webinar. It was myself, it was one of my partners, Jordan, and it was another of my partner, Joe. And Joe is really skilled with day trading. Like, he's really good. That's more his specialty. And I hosted like a 1 hour webinar for guys in my group. I'm happy to share that with you guys. All you have to do is send an email with your name and number to stocksandpips.com. info@stocksandpips.com, and I would send you the Google link to actually view this. And if you view this, we do a lot of chart analysis and so on and so forth with regards to day trading, and answer a lot of questions that people may have. An example being, I think someone asked, you know, how does it work in terms of what sort of time frames do you use? And I said, look, it varies. You know, if you want to sort of, you could sit down, I could sit on a laptop and I could stay on a very small time frames, the 3 minutes, and I can, you know, just keep going in and out of trades because I have a sort of shorter view of things. However, you know, if you want to day trade safely, you know, you kind of want to have two views. Firstly, you want to have a lower time frame so that you can see any immediate price action, but you also want to have, you know, a higher sort of time frame, like a 4 hour, so you could see the long picture in case you end up leaving that trade for a day or 2 days. You know, you're in a pretty safe place. So an example being, you could be day trading on, let's say, a 30 minutes, and you're like, yeah, this looks like a buy, and then you buy it, not realizing that on a 4 hour it's massively bearish, and it just had a fake breakout on the 30 minutes, and you bought it on the fake breakout on the 30 minutes. If you'd had a look at both, you'd have had a better picture of it. So that's day trading for me. And day trading is one of those things where you actually don't need to put in a lot of hours in a day to be successful at it. You know, you can literally strategize, hit your trade within, let's say, 2-3 hours in a day. Well, to be fair, you can spot your trade within, you know, a minute or 2 minutes of analyzing the chart. Put your trade in. If you're lucky, it can come in immediately, like let's say within 30 minutes to an hour, or it could take a couple of hours, or it could take a day or two. But now you can sort of leave it, set your stop losses in place, and sort of move on and go and, you know, 9 to 5, or go and do whatever else that it is you want to do. So that's why day trade for me is really attractive. And I just find it shocking that a lot of people are really not getting involved in it. So that's why I thought, it's not a ranting video, by the way, I thought I'd sort of educate you guys on the day trading and at least let you know that there's that opportunity out there. So, like I said, if you need more information on the day trading, feel free to email info@stocksandpips.com. If you need access to the webinar that I hosted for the Stocks and Pips members, I'm happy to share it with you guys as well. Just make sure you email me. All right. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your evening, enjoy your day whenever you're watching this, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We've got to grow this channel. We're going for it now. We really have to grow this channel. Thank you for watching.